there, and welcome to this week's broadcast. I am Anne LaFollette, and I am a surface pattern designer and online coach. And I am back to talk to you again about surface pattern design and the benefits that it can have for your business. Today, specifically, I want to talk about the 3 ways that surface design can help you enhance and grow your business. But before I get started, let me just back up for a second and zoom out and make sure that you know what surface design is, because I didn't know what it was a couple of years ago. I kind of happened upon it as I was exploring a variety of different things to do in this next phase of my life. I got laid off from a big fancy corporate job and I needed to figure out something else to do, and I started to explore my creativity and I discovered surface design and got completely hooked. So what is it? If you look around you right now, I bet you will see anywhere from 6 to 10 surfaces that have a design on them. And what I mean by that is the carpet below your feet, wrapping paper that might be on a gift you're about to give to someone, potentially wallpaper that's somewhere in your house, the notebook that you actually take notes on in the morning or that you do your journaling in. Here are a couple of examples of some wrapping paper that I always have handy that have my designs on it so that I can always make sure that the gifts I'm giving to my friends and family have my own wrapping paper on them. And you will probably see cushions that have designs on them, and on and on and on. And so basically any surface that has a pattern or a design on it, and it doesn't have to be a repeating pattern, it could be an illustration, it could be a spot graphic, it could be just a small element of design. All of that falls under this umbrella called surface pattern design. And I am launching a free live workshop called How to Get Started in Surface Pattern Design. And I'm going to tell you about that at the end. But all you need to do is basically sketch some cute little sketches, and then I will help you bring those into Adobe Illustrator, turn them into repeating patterns, and then the sky is the limit in terms of where you can go from there. But let me get back to today's topic, which is the 3 ways that surface design can really help you enhance your business if you have a creative business today, or if you would like to create a side business in the future. Number 1 is diversification. Surface design is an incredible way for you to diversify an existing creative business. For example, one of my students, Sharon Hoppy, has a fabulous textured rolling pin business. The rolling pins are absolutely gorgeous, and so when you roll them, they have this intricate design on them, and then you can put that into the dough or the pancakes or your cake decorations. It's absolutely phenomenal. And she realized when she discovered my courses and also this free workshop I'm going to tell you about, she discovered that if she could turn those designs into repeating patterns, she could expand her business in a whole bunch of different ways. So she's a great example of a creative business owner today who learned how to do surface design in order to diversify and expand her business further. Number 2 is multiple end uses. As I was describing before, once you have one design, like the cute little design that's on this wrapping paper, you can also use that artwork to put a beautiful pattern on a notebook. You can also create a whole series of greeting cards. You can create spot graphics, and stickers are super popular today just by using small elements that are inside your design. So there are multiple end uses, and that is just in the stationery or the paper side of the business. Other multiple end uses fall into the fabric category, like the pillow that you see behind me. A dear friend of mine, Dylan Mierzwinski, was recently licensed by a fabric company, and when she was showcasing her work to new customers, and she also went to Quilt Market to showcase her beautiful new collection, she made some backpacks with her patterns. She made a beautiful set of quilt designs using a variety of her patterns. She also had coasters in her little shop, and all of that was to just showcase how incredibly beautiful your design looks on a variety of different products that are fabric-based. So multiple end uses is a huge opportunity. Number 3 is expanding your customer base. Who doesn't want to expand your customer base? I certainly want more customers and am eager to to tell you about my free live workshop so that you can come in and experience an incredible free training that I offer a couple of times a year. But expanding your customer base through surface design means that you can get your artwork out in a broader way to either offer existing products to new customers or new products to existing customers. And just think that with every piece of new artwork that you create, you have so many opportunities for what types of products it could go on. It could be a beautiful set of mugs for the holiday season, or just for your everyday tea. It could be a variety of paper products that I described. It could be on fabric. It could be on the curtains in your living room. The options in terms of how you can expand your customer base through surface design are almost endless. So let me wrap up by just inviting you to join my free live workshop that's called How to Get Started in Surface Pattern Design. It's a live workshop that starts in a couple of days. I only offer it a few times a year. It's totally free. Let me tell you what you're going to learn in the free live workshop. Number 1, you are going to learn the art of transforming your sketches into beautiful repeating patterns inside Adobe Illustrator. I am also going to share my secrets for how to sell your work successfully, and you will also walk away with the confidence to pursue your creative dreams, knowing what's possible. All you need is paper, a couple of pens, a smartphone, and Adobe Illustrator, and you can get a free trial at adobe.com. Most importantly, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of changing a sketch into a repeating pattern. And once you learn how to do that, the sky is the limit. And this is not a high-level strategy session. This is a very tactical step-by-step live training. And so the valuable content that I'm going to share with you will allow you to discover the endless possibilities for yourself as a surface designer. So I hope that you will take advantage of this opportunity and join me in class. Click the link below this video to learn more. It starts soon, so grab your seat. I cannot wait to see you there. And I always like to say in closing that I am Anne LaFollette, and it's never too late to create. I hope to see you in class, and bye for now.